Despite what you may think, dairy doesn't have all the fun, and this recipe is proof of that. We are making a creamy, dairy-free chicken pasta that will be your next favorite meal. First, let's boil some whole grain pasta. Once it's finished, set it aside. Then, let's season chicken breast with a little sea salt, pepper, and oregano. Add extra virgin olive oil to a skillet, then set on medium heat. When the pan is hot, toss in the chicken breast and cook on both sides until they're completely cooked. Remember, cooking times will vary depending on the thickness of the chicken breast. Remove the chicken from the skillet, then saute some garlic. Toss in asparagus and give it a quick sear. Then, let's pour in chicken broth, freshly squeezed lemon juice, a little lemon zest, and light coconut milk. Beautiful. Stir it up and let's bring it to a simmer. Now let's add in our cooked pasta and give this dish some flavor. Add oregano, dill, parsley, and if you have some, fresh rosemary. Fold and stir and reduce the heat of the skillet. Finally, add in the cooked chicken breast, and garnish with fresh lemon juice, dill, and parsley. While you're scooping out your portion and you feel a little adventurous, add a pinch of wheat panko for crunch and texture. Boom! Check out fitmencook.com to get the full recipe and download the Fit Men Cook app for more easy, healthy recipes.